Hello everyone, how are you? Hope you are all good. Welcome to WA Reviews YouTube channel. Guys, today we will unbox 360-degree long arm mobile stand holder. You can also tell this tablet tripod. So let's open this one. I ordered this one from AliExpress. I will give you this product link in description. So if you want to buy, you can buy from that link. So this is the packing. This one aluminum material. Let's remove this cover. They send with good packing. So it's a bubble plastic they are using to protect this mobile stand. It's a aluminum material table mobile holder. Its total weight almost 330 grams because it's aluminum, so it's not too much heavy. So what we found this with this stand, one mobile holder, this one good clamp for mobile holding. You can see this clamp for mobile holding. It's a table holding clamp. You can also call this one soil clamp. You can see there is adjustment. After you can tie it with your table or bed, anywhere you want to tie it, you can tie it. And it's a screw for holding your long arm. This one called long arm. This screw for holding your long arm stand. And with this long arm, this Ventong cantilever bracket, you can move this one in 360-degree anywhere you want. So it's a very good quality material. After losing this one, you can move any direction like this way, and where you want to hold this one, after you can tight this one, so it will coming tight. So it's a very good quality material, you can see. So with this long arm, one soil clamp, one Ventong cantilever bracket, and one this mobile holder. This one also very spring tight, good quality. It will hold your mobile very tightly. I will show you. Like this way you can hold your mobile. Let's open this long arm. So as you can see, this one very good quality aluminum material, also good finishing. You can see spring quality also good. I will give you this product link in description for Amazon as well and AliExpress as well. From anywhere you can buy this one. This price is just in between $25 to $30 because it's a totally metal material. This one MS material and this one aluminum material. This point for attaching your Ventong cantilever bracket, this one here, you just need to move 360-degree and it will become a tight. So like this way you can tie it with this long arm stand and this table bracket for holding here. First you need to lose this screw. After you will put this one inside like this way. If you want this position, you can install this position and tight this screw. If you want in this position, so you can move here and tight this screw. So like this way. This one the assembling of long arm, this one adjustable arm. If you want to hold any position, after you need to tight this screw, then it will not move anywhere. For moving, you need to lose this. If you want to hold on this position, so just tight this screw. After it will hold, not go anywhere. So this is the look of long arm mobile holder. And after you can install this mobile holder with Ventong clamp and tight any position. Which position you want to tight, you can tight. I will show you installation instructions. So as you can see, first you need to put your table clamp with any table or bed anywhere you want. B, this is safety knob, lose this is safety knob and put your long arm in this table clamp. After tight this safety knob, after you can adjust from here this screw. You can also adjust the position from here. You can see there is one screw, so you can also adjust the position of your mobile device with this knob. After losing, you can move any position and which position you want to keep after you tight this one, so it become a tight and not move anywhere. For 360-degree rotation, you need to lose this knob and move this one any position and after tight this screw. So this is the good quality 330 gram total weight of this mobile stand. I will show you in table after install, so you can see how it's look like. So guys, as you can see, I install this clamp with my table here and tight with the help of this knob, and it come a full tight. After I adjust the angle of this long arm angle anywhere you can adjust. If you like in straight position, you can adjust here. If you like this way, anywhere, this way, so you can just keep on that position after you tight this knob, and when you tight this knob, it will holding that position and not moving anywhere. After that, I adjust my mobile position. You can loose and tight with the help of this screw. If you want any position, you can adjust from this knob, and also with the help of this clamp you can move in any direction. If you want to move in any way, so just lose this knob and move this one which position you want to keep. After just tight. If you want like this position, this position, this position, this position, any position which you want to keep, so just keep on that position, and after you tight this one, so it become tight and not moving anywhere. For up and down, you can use this knob and this screw for tightening this knob. So guys, this is the full setup of this long arm mobile table. You can move 360 degree any position anywhere. Which position you like, you can keep on that one. This product link in description. Its price in between $25 to $30. So I will give you in description Amazon link as well and AliExpress link as well. You can buy from any platform. So guys, this is the full setup of this long arm 360 degree mobile holder. You can also tell table tripod. Hope you like the video. If you like, kindly support by subscribe my YouTube channel, like this video, share with your friend and keep supporting guys. Thank you very much. Take care.